lines are first unit topic, point number 3. Have you ever seen? Hmm? You know rivers? You know rivers? You tell me the name of the rivers in our country. Hmm? There are many of rivers in our country: Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Narmada. Hmm? That means in this poem, have you ever seen? This is the poem is a very interesting poem and the amazing poem. Hmm? Have you ever seen? I will read first. Have you ever seen the seat on the riverbed or the single ear from the hammer's head? Has the foot of the mountain any toes? And is there a pair of the garden hose? Does the needle ever wink its eyes? Why doesn't wing of the building fly? Can it tickles the leaves of the parasols or open the trunks of trees at all? Are the teeth of the rake ever going to bite? Have the hands of the clock and left to right? Can the garden fall deep and dark? And what is the sound of the bird's barks? That means in this poem, many of the new words. Hose means actually hose. Hose means a flexible tube. A flexible tube. Flexible tube. Then next word, a flexible tool. Then next word is parasol. Hmm? Next word is a parasol. Parasol means parasol means parasol means umbrella. You know na umbrella. Hmm? Parasol means umbrella. Hmm? Parasol means umbrella. Hmm? Then next hard word is plot. Here using word of plot means two evil things or an evil. Plot means evil and evil. Hmm? Then next word is birch means a tree. Birch means a tree. Hmm? And next word is a rake. Hmm? Rake means to a rake means to a pointed. That means rake means to pointed metal parts. Pointed metal part. Pointed metal part. That means you understand this word. Hose means to flexible to, parasol means umbrella, plot means to, and evil. Here you get the word. Birch means a tree, and rake means a pointed metal part. First of all, I will read these two lines. Have you ever seen a seat on the river bed? I firstly told it. I first of all telling to you this poem is the interesting poem and also amazing poem. Here this poem has made use of the plenty puns. That means in this poem is a interesting poem and amazing poem where the poet has made the full of the plenty puns just for the fun and enjoyment. That means this poem is a just a fun and enjoyment. The readers expected to enjoy and play on the word and in this first two lines, that means have you ever seen at a seat on the river bed or a single hears from the hammer's head? That means poet asked the if anyone has seen a sit on sit sit on a river bed. That means anyone sit on the river bed and single hears from the head of a hammer. That means you see the single hairs of the hammer's head, and then has the foot of the mountain any toes. That means second stanza question poet. That means here anonymous poem. That means here unknown poet ask the question single hairs from the single hairs head of the hammer, and he asked the foot of the mountain has any toes of if there is a pair of the garden hose. That means you see the foot of the mountain any toes, and there a pair of the garden hose. That means you see the pair of the garden, or the hose means two flexible tubes, or the pair of the stocking or toy. Then second stanza, does the needle ever wink its eyes? That means second stanza, poet says about the does the needles ever wink its eyes? That means the holding a needles, that is winking. That means holding a needles, that is a winking. This line is only humorous lines. This is the example of the humorous. Why does the wings of the building fly? Why does the wings of the building fly? That means and why the wings of the building does not fly? That means, sorry, does not fly. Question here poet ask a question to anyone. Why does the wings of the buildings fly? Can you tickle the ribs of parasols? That means the second line. That means can you tickle the ribs of parasol? Parasols means umbrella. Here this second line is also humorous line. That means this line is indicate that just imagination. Someone tickling the spark. That means someone tickling the part and umbrella and trying to get the response. That means this tickling is spoke and the umbrella is the response here. That means this line is the only humorous line. Which line? Then can you tickle the ribs of parasol or open the trunk of the tree at all? That means the trunk of the tree of all. That means it's full of the poem. In this poem only imagination. And these two lines, that means does the needles ever wink its eyes, and the can you tickle the ribs of the parasol. In these two lines full of the humorous. Are the teach a rat ever going to bite? Are the teeth or rats? Rats means a pointed metal part. That means this finally this last stanza. Are the teeth of the rat ever going to bite? That means this finally this poet, unknown poet, asks if the that means in this last stanza, are the teeth of the rat ever going to bite? Rat means the pointed metal part. Finally, this poet, unknown poet, asks anyone the teeth that rat has are they going to bite? That means teeth are the rat means pointed metal part. And have the hand of the clock and left or right. That means the clock's hands move left to right. That means hands of the clock any left to right. You see the hands of the clock any left to right. That means left to right. Can the garden plot deep and dark? Then you see the garden plot is the deep and dark. And lastly, and what is the sound of the bird's bark? What is the sound of this birch bark? Is sound of the tree is a bark. That means in this poem poet tell about the only imagination or only full of fun. This poem is only these readers accepted this poem only for the only enjoyments. The accepted enjoy to play words. Here this poem is only interesting poem and amazing poem. That means, have you ever seen? In this poem, poet only asks a question. Uh, poet, uh, poet, poet only asks the question. That means here this poem is the best example of the interrogation. Interrogation means the can the garden plot. That means here one example of here given a garden plot be deep and dark. Here is question mark. That means the question is asked, not get answer, but make one think. Here poet only ask question. Question asked question, not get an answer, but make one thing. Some other in this example, some other figure of speech, pun, personification, alliteration. That means in this poem generally use the interrogation. That means here only poet asked only question, but he not get he asked not a get answer to any question. Here given one example of this questions. A garden, the gardens plot the deep and dark. Here only poet intention only ask questions, not get the answer of these questions. That means many of these questions in this poem as like. That means next example of this interrogation is have you ever seen a seat on the riverbed? Here only poet only asked the question, but he not get answer. Here intention of this poem is only ask a question, but not get the answer. But it makes one thing. That means in this figure of speech is also known as the interrogations. Here poem is finished, and thank you.